Hi, good morning children. I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to explain lesson 3. What is the name of the lesson? Robinson Crusoe. Robinson Crusoe. Now I am going to explain the lesson. This lesson, Robinson Crusoe's ship had been destroyed by the sea. He had been alone for many years. That means he was alone for many years, and if he sees anything or any footprint, he feels that someone is there in the island. Where he was for many years, he was for many years in the island. If you see the picture, you will understand. Here is water and here is trees and a boat and a person. Robinson, his name is Robinson Crusoe. This story is about him. He was alone for many years. Longed for a company. One day he discovers a footprint. That means he saw a footprint. He was alone. He saw a footprint. How he feels and what happens. That's all about our lesson. Let's find out. Okay. One day when I was going towards my boat, I in the sense Robinson Crusoe, a person, as you can see in the textbook. One day I was going towards my boat. I was surprised to see the footprint of a man on the sand. I stood amazed. I listened. I looked around me. I could neither hear nor see anything. I went up higher to look down, and I went up the shore and down the shore, but I was no good. I could find no other footprint but that one. I went to it again to see if there were any more footprints. That means he saw a footprint. He was afraid. Whose footprint was that? Because it is not his footprint. He did not go that side before. It is not his footprint. He was alone for many years. He saw one footprint. He was confused. Whose footprint was that? And he was afraid. He went here and there. He went everywhere. How much he can find? He has gone to everywhere, but he did not find anyone. How he was confused too much. He don't know what to do. Let's see what he did. If there were any more footprints, and to tell it off, only one footprint is there. If there are so many footprints, we can find the path and we can understand that someone has come, but only one footprint. That's all confusion whether someone is there or not. If we see more footprints, then we can decide that someone is there. Only one footprint. He was confused, but I was not mistaken. That means he is feeling that he was not mistaken, for there was exactly the footprint, exactly the print of the foot. It is not someone's foot. It is the foot of a man, because in that foot, toes, heel, every part of the foot is there. I could not imagine how it came there. Robinson Crusoe could not imagine that how it came. I stayed a long time thinking, but become more and more confused. He thought too much, but he did not get anything in his mind that who has come into that island. He was confused, too much confused by thinking so many times. At last I returned home very frightened. He was very afraid. At last he came back to his home. Looking behind. Behind means back. Looking behind me, after every 2 or 3 steps, mistaking every bush and tree to be a man. Anyhow, he came back to home. But how he came, he was very frightened. He was thinking, he was feeling each and every bush and every tree to be a man. When I came to my cave, which I called my castle, he came back to his cave. I ran inside it as if I was being chased. At last he came to his home, and he ran because he was frightened. That's why he ran, that someone is chasing him. I do not remember whether I used the ladder or whether I used the ladder or went to buy the hole in the rock. He did not remember that what he used, but he ran and he came back to home. He returned home very quickly, which I called the door. I ran I ran for cover faster than any animal could run. How he ran? He could not imagine that how he ran that. He ran like an animal, faster than any other animal. Okay. I did not sleep that night. He saw that footprint. He did not get sleep. He was confused and frightened, and he did not sleep that night. The more I thought about what I had seen, what he had seen, he was thinking more and more. The more afraid I became. I thought it could be no one of the savages of the mainland who had wandered out of the sea in a small boat. Luckily, I was not on shore on that time, but what if he had seen my boat? He was thinking that only one footprint he found, not more than one. He was confused whether if someone comes, surely he has seen that boat, because there is a boat. We have seen in the lesson there is a boat, and Robinson Crusoe uses his boat, and that footprint also beside that boat itself. And he was confused. He was thinking more about it. Luckily, I was not on the shore at that time. Luckily, he was not on the shore at that time. But what if he had seen my boat? He was thinking, Arey, he has seen. If he has seen my boat, what happens? If he had seen the boat, he would have realized that someone living in the island. Somebody came and they saw a boat, and they will feel right. They will feel like someone is there in the island. Someone is living. Yes, do you feel or not? For example, someone came to a house. There are some chappals outside, and door is open. Then we will feel that someone is living in this house. Yes or no? In the same manner, there is a boat. There is a boat and an island with the boat. And how do you feel if you see an island with a boat? You feel that someone comes and goes by with that boat to the island. Do we feel or not? In the same manner, our Robinson Crusoe also feeling that if he sees my boat, he will come. If it is a monster, it will come and it will eat me, right? Otherwise, if some other persons come and sees us, they will kill me, right? He is afraid, he is frightened too much, and he was thinking in that way. In this page number 51, you can see the footprints. However, I went about 2 or 3 days and was nothing. I became a little bolder. I decided to go down to the shore again and examine the footprint once more. He decided to go to the seashore and to see the footprint again, to confirm whether it is his footprint or someone's footprint. He examined the footprint once more. I decided to measure it with my own footmark. As I came closer to the footprint, I realized that it could not be my footprint. It is not his footprint. Why? Because I had not come to this part of the beach since a long time. Since long time, he did not go to that place, that beach. Secondly, as I placed my foot alongside that footprint, it seemed longer than my own. That footprint is longer than his own footprint. He checked whether it is his footprint or not. It is not his footprint. Then whose footprint? Footmark. As I came closer to the footprint, I realized that it could not be my footprint because I had not come to this part of the beach since a long time. Secondly, as I placed my foot alongside that footprint, it seemed longer than my own. It is longer than his own footprint. My fear returned. I went home again, believing that there was someone there. The island was inhabited. This lesson is about footprint, discovering of a footprint. Robinson Crusoe, he discovers a footprint. He was staying for a long time at that place, and suddenly he saw a footprint, and he was confused, he was afraid, and he was thinking so much about that footprint. As he checked also, it is not his footprint. He checked, it is little bit, it's not the same footprint of his. As he placed also, it is not his. It is little bit bigger than his footprint. He was confused and he was frightened. He returned home even though he was confused that whose footprint it was, and he was thinking more and more about the footprint. Even he did not sleep that night. After few days he forgot that, but even though once again it came to his mind and he was confused and he was frightened again and again. This is all about Robinson Crusoe. Okay, I hope you have understood this lesson and try to complete the grammar part of the textbook. I know that you can do this. Otherwise, I will reveal the answers later. First of all, you try to do with the pencil. Okay? Once the answers are revealed, you can use pen, but better you use pencil in the textbook. Okay? August has come. We should be in a hurry. For what? To revise the lesson, to maintain the CW. Please don't put any incomplete. Have you all celebrated Bakri? I celebrated a lot, that's why a little bit late to put the video. But you please be in a hurry. Complete the lesson neatly, write the lesson neatly, and afterwards read at least 2 to 3 question and answers per day. Not only question and answers, a bit per day, and get ready. Okay? Please, and once again I am telling who did not take the textbooks, please take it as early as possible. Okay. This is about Robinson Crusoe lesson. I hope you have understood. Take care. Bye bye.